the points that I had covered in the last conversation, I will show all the points in this hardware simulation of the project. This is the circuit breaker. This is the real transformer, the primary and the secondary. And in the secondary of the transformer, we have made the tappings, which is 5%, 10%, 20, 30, and 100%. So the tappings are made at all these percentage in the secondary of the transformer. To select the phase of this transformer, we have placed the phase selector switch, and to select the tappings, we have placed the tapping selector switch, so with which we can select the tappings of on the secondary of the transformer. The next is the internal fault. We can virtually generate the internal fault in the system, so that to generate the internal fault in these windings, we have placed the virtual internal fault. This is the CT, and this is and that is the relay that will sense the. This is the relay that will sense the fault. So now I will show all the components that are in this project. The first is the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker, we have used contactors. These are the contactors. We have used the contactor as the circuit breaker, and this is the main transformer with the tappings, and this is the current transformer. So I will show all these components, the phase selector switch and the tapping selector switch at the back of the panel. So this is the main transformer with tappings on the secondary. This is the secondary, and you can see the tappings, which is 10%, 5%, 10%, 30%, and 100%. The next is the current transformer. And this is the phase selector and the tapping selector switch, and that is the relay. We have included the load, and we have included the flasher circuit, which just shows us the indications and the flashing, so that anyone can be able to know the fault visually. So let's begin the project. First of all, I will run this project. So with this virtual fault generation, this is the phase. So at the moment it's the third phase is selected, which is through this phase selector switch. We can see it is at the third phase, and the tapping is at 5%. I have selected. Let's take the second tapping, which is 10%. So at the moment it is at 10% of the tapping, and now we will generate the fault. This is the digital amperemeter, with which we will be able to see the fault current. So please do have a look at the fault current, and even at the moment I switch the internal fault, please do have a look at the internal fault current. So this is how the fault has generated, and you can see the meter and even the visual effect, so that we will be able to see the fault. Now we will stop the fault, and now we will select with 20%. So now the 20% of the winding is selected, and now